In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize page layout in Confluence. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to open a page, adjust the layout, add a header image, and explore different header options to make your content look more polished and engaging. Let's start by opening a page in Confluence. Go ahead and navigate to the space where your content lives and open the page you want to work on. You can either create a new page or edit an existing one. If you're editing, click the edit button at the top so you're in the page editor view. This is important because layout and header options only appear when you are actively editing the page. Once your page is open in edit mode, look towards the top of the editor toolbar for the layout icon. It usually looks like two small rectangles side by side. This icon controls how your content is arranged on the page. Click on this two rectangle layout icon. When you do, Confluence will show you a set of layout choices, such as a single column, 2 columns, or 3 columns. Choose the layout that best fits the information you're presenting. For example, you might use 2 columns for comparisons or a single wide column for long-form documentation. You can always change this later, so feel free to experiment. Next, let's customize the header image for your page. At the very top of the page, you'll see the header area. If there's already a header image, hover over it and you should see an option to change it. If there isn't one yet, you'll see an option to add a header image. Click on Header Image. This opens the header image selector where you can browse available images. Now select a header that matches the purpose or tone of your page. Confluence may offer built-in images, or you might be able to upload your own, depending on your setup and permissions. Think about what you want readers to feel when they land on this page: professional, creative, or something more relaxed. Once you find an image you like, click it to apply it as the page header. You will usually see it update immediately at the top of your page. From here, take a moment to explore. Try switching between different layouts using the layout icon to see how your content rearranges. Experiment with different header images and notice how they change the personality of your page.